gave you 2 million naira cars, we gave you 3 million naira cars, but you're still here watching because you have more money and you want to buy a car that works for you in the 3 to 4 million naira range. So today we're going to highlight the best cars that work in this budget range and tell you what it is about them, what makes sense, what doesn't make sense. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. Welcome to the countdown. In no particular order, at number 10, we have the Hyundai Santa Fe 2004. This car you see made Hyundai believe more in themselves. Because when this car came out, unbelievably, it sold in numbers. So if you buy it too, it will make you believe in yourself. This car just works. Unique urban styling, different engine options, comfortable interior. Although when this car first came out, Hyundai did not give us a V6. But people were complaining, give us V6 now, let us match with cars like the Highlander. 3 years later, Hyundai listened and they kept a V6 in this Santa Fe. I will advise you for this Santa Fe, go there and buy with a mechanic that has a scanner. Scan the car and make sure that the tech in this car is not faulty, because you don't want any issue with Hyundai's electrical system. At 4 million naira, I want to just buy, do maintenance and drive. At number 9, we have 2003-2004 Toyota Solara. This is the first generation of the Solara. Solara is just a 2-door Camry. Simple, just a 2-door Camry, a sporty version of the Camry. The way Accord will have the 4-door and the 2-door version. Toyota tried to do that thing that Honda always does, and it did it well. Because I prefer the Solara to the second generation. Second generation is curvy. I don't really like curvy cars. I like angular looking cars like this one. But this list is not about me. It's about the money you have. This car runs on an excellent 2.4 cylinder, 4-cylinder engine. Very economical, not problematic. Just maintain and you're good. And I mean, you can buy a convertible option, because how else would they know that you're a big boy with 4 million naira? There's a convertible, take off the roof and drive off. The only downside to this car is the interior. If you don't maintain it well, it can fall apart. Like, the interior is not that great. 2004 Solara interior is not that great. I don't know why, but this is kind of unusual for a Toyota from 2004. So if you're looking to buy a 2-door sporty car at 4 million naira, Solara is your guy. At number 8, we have the 2002 Nissan Micra. But Tokumbo, I know you're saying, "Crap, what's the problem with this Micra? Leave us alone with this Micra." But this is the only Tokumbo car on this list. Like, it's the only one I found from the trenches that works for you. So if you want to buy this Ibadan taxi, but the freshest level of Micra, Tokumbo, fresh, clean. This car is very economical, strong, bulletproof, like I've said, and it works. Because I mean, personally, I won't drive this car because it has a weird shape. It's like a shoe. That is small. I won't drive this car. But if I needed a comfortable runabout car for groceries in my house, just for somebody to move around, this is the first car I'll consider, and that's why it's on this list. Buying a Tokumbo car at 4 million naira in 2025. That's crazy work. At number 7, we have the Honda Civic iRobot. If you know me well, you know I will always recommend the sleekest Honda Civic ever built. This iRobot is sleek, and at 4 million naira, you can buy a clean, used version of this car. We have a review on this car. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. This car is a tank. This car is bulletproof. This car is more advanced than when it came out. Like, this car was ahead of its time. Especially that digital speedometer on the dashboard. Takes me out every time. Come closer, come closer, come closer. There's a beautiful 2-door version of this car. If you know what you are doing, you can find this car now. Although that one, you might not find the used one, because it's cars like that. I've never seen a lot of it around. When I see that 2-door Civic of this generation, I'm also like, wow, baby. At number 6, we have the Camry Big Daddy, or Big for Nothing. Yeah, the 2002, 2005 Toyota Camry is in your 4 million naira range for a used car. So Toyota, of course, it's reliable. Of course, it will not mess you up. Of course, it will do the work you want it to do. Of course, it is functional. So it's a question of, do you like how it looks? The reason why they call this car Big Daddy or Big for Nothing is, unlike every Camry before it, this one was just big, like bigger than every other dimension that we had known or we have been used to. And the interior was still very small. So it's just big, and people don't really add anything inside. So the car is actually very spacious and it works. That's why it's a very comfortable car for people that want to do like car business. It's very comfortable. It's a very comfortable car inside. The space is big. So the Big Daddy works at 4 million. At number 5, we have a honorable mention. Korope. See, 2 years ago, we made a video on the Korope that it was selling for 1 million naira. and we got the highest amounts of DMs and emails ever. I want to buy Korokwe, I want to buy Korokwe, I want to buy Korokwe, I want to buy Korokwe. So people are looking for the car, for this van everywhere. And it was almost selling for 1 million naira. But because the video we made is timeless, you can watch it today, you can watch it tomorrow. So people thought there was Korokwe somewhere for 1 million naira. So they kept sending emails. If I see that email again, Korokwe is now 4 million naira for Tokes. This van is now like 3.4, 3.6 million naira for Tokes. So if you're looking for 1 million naira Korokwe to start quick business, no deal again, no. I'm sorry. You have to find an investor. At number 4, we have the Hyundai Accent 2006. Yes, this body, you can buy it with 4 million naira. This guy is more economical than a Corolla. I tell you for free, more economical than a Corolla. Like, he saves fuel like crazy. But the annoying thing is that when this car came out, brand new, was selling for like 3.5 million naira. Now you can't even buy Tokes for that price. You have to buy a used one. Which way now? Which way? Also, you can see the size is on the small side. So if you're a family of 2 feet, young guy just starting out your life, feet, young babe just want to cruise around, feet. But if you have a big family, it doesn't work. I don't like when people squeeze themselves into cars because of the price. I'm giving you Big Daddy, go and buy Big Daddy. Don't buy Accents and make some people suffer in the back of your car. If you want to park people, Accents is not for you. At number 3, we have the BMW E46. This is the only car on this list. This is the only sporty car on this list. Solara is also sporty, but this is the only car on this list. Like, this is a German legend. This is a cult classic. The BMW E46, 2-door or 4 doors, 325i, 330i, 328i. You can buy any of these variants with 4 million naira. And for some reason, we seem to have a lot of these cars in Nigeria, especially northern Nigeria, because they love sporty cars. I have driven an E46 for like a week or 2. Like, I know the E46 well, it's very reliable. People will tell you, don't buy this car because I know somebody that has this car for 15 years. No issues, no major issues, just maintenance. If you know the BMW way, then you're good. If you buy this car, you will get a lot of stares from onlookers. People just look at you, especially if it is clean. Put nice rims and just drive off. Let me give you a pro tip for this car. If you want to buy this car, go to the north and fear not. At number 2, we have the 2004-2005 Honda Pilot. At 4 million naira, you find a very clean Honda Pilot. This car was made for family people. The car is big, boxy, functional, carries people. Yeah, this car is great. Functionality-wise, utility-wise, this car works. But if you don't maintain your Honda Pilot well, it might start to chop fuel a lot. Because you have to maintain it. You have to make sure that your engine is in tip-top shape at all times if you want to enjoy the Pilot. Also, you might have suspension issues if you live in areas with bad roads, camber at the back, tire will start to kill like this because it's not just really strong at the back. So if you have bad roads and you carry a lot of people, I won't recommend this car. You need a stronger car, like maybe a 4Runner or something. But yeah, the Honda Pilot actually really works if you have 4 million naira and you're looking for a family SUV. At number 1, as usual, community time. Tell us what car best fits a 4 million naira budget for a used car in Nigeria. Please tell us in the comments because we want other people to be able to draw different options from having 4 million naira. Help us help others. You understand? Let's do this for the community. Remember, if you want to buy any of the cars on this list, send us an email, cars@234drive.com. We have a special service that caters to people that want to buy cars. We can help you inspect, we can help you recommend based on your budget. We'll also help you make sure you make the right choice. Because making the right car choice in Nigeria can be the beginning of something good in your life. You don't want to suffer when it comes to cars in Nigeria. Trust me. Share, like, subscribe. My name is Crank, and I'll see you next time. Bye.